P420 grinder, cordless grinder, doing this fence and trying to tension for these two posts. I go every third post, put on the tensioner, tighten, and then hook on the last two posts. Problem is, posts want to bend when you're tightening it, and they bend so much on some of these that then this will slip up, and it slipped up and nailed me in the hand. So what I'm going to do is notch it. Let's put a little safety notch up here. Now hopefully, if that notch is big enough, I might have to make it bigger. I could tension. You can see the post is bending. Now it's in the notch. Ain't going anywhere. It's hooked in that notch. You can get nice and tight. As you can see, sucker's bent like hell, but it ain't slipping because I got that safety notch now. This post's a little bit short. It held it the whole time. I just have two hooks on the top of each. Now I'm going to tension the bottom and then do the bottom and middle. And watch the tension come off. Okay, straightens right out.